What is going on, everybody? I am so sorry about not uploading for the past week or so. The snow has been absolutely abhorrent. I'm not risking my life, my safety to make a YouTube algorithm happy. Like, I'm sorry. I love what I do, don't get me wrong, but I don't think that it's worth risking myself over just for a little bit of YouTube content. But anyway, let's get back into what my plan is for today. We are going to roll that intro before we do anything else. So yeah, today we are going to Barr Beacon. I was not anticipating this amount of rain. However, I wanted to go ahead and fly my drone there, which reminds me I should probably call the council and let them know that that is what I'm planning to do. See, there's still like huge chunks of ice in the road. I'll move to the left. Aldridge Airfield. Yes, the place that my sister and I took my dog on walks when my parents were in South Africa. That is cool as heck. Yeah, there's still a heck of a lot of snow out here. There should be an entrance just here, hopefully. Alright, so we made it to Barr Beacon Nature Reserve. This is the highest point in the West Midlands. My goal is to fly a drone around here just to kind of get some nice aerial shots. I'm going to go ahead and make a call to Walsall Council just to make sure that it's okay to fly my drone around here. So I will be back with you in just a brief second. Hello there, I was just calling to inquire about some regulations with Barr Beacon Nature Reserve. I was wondering if it was okay to fly a drone over the area. I noticed on my drone app that there was a yellow airspace warning surrounding it, so I just wanted to call and make sure that it was all okay. Oh, right, okay.
Nice bike.
Sorry?
Nice bike.
Thank you.
How old is it?
25.
25 years?
No, sorry, 2025 on the plate.
Oh, sorry. When on the approach, I thought it was a Triumph. With me.
I do love a Triumph. Well, I have officially been on hold with the Barr Beacon Walsall Council for 50 minutes. I don't think they're going to be answering. So I'm just going to risk it, take my drone up, find a nice place to take off and land. And I just had a really nice conversation with a guy about everything. He commented on my bike and we just kind of got to talking a little bit. Lovely, lovely guy. You saw a little bit of our conversation in the last clip, but I'm going to try and find a place that I can set up my drone and hopefully not get told off. Because the rain has sort of died down a little bit, so I'm hoping that it's decent conditions to fly. So let's see how it goes. Alright.
Take off.
A little bit of wind. Should be alright though. Got some dogs coming up. I'm going to try and take off before they get here.
Home point updated.
Oh, look at that view. It's quite foggy out there, isn't it? This is where I wanted to go. The War Memorial. Look at that place. If you look at this place on Google, but there in the middle of the screen, somebody on a motorcycle has flown a drone through there. I think there are people in there actually. Are there people in there? No, there's nobody in there. I want to see if we can do a little... The trees are sort of getting in the way of my radio control signal. ISO. Bump down the ISO a little bit. See if we can get some of that cloud detail back. Let's bring it back in a little bit. If you look closely, you can kind of see the drone in the sky. There's a car coming up the road now. Switch that to Cine. Be careful that there's no cars coming. Hey, there's me. Hi. And then I want to move backwards and up. That's kind of terrible. I'm going to try and do that again. We're going to use this for some B-roll. I'm coming for a landing. Alright, we're a little bit off, but I'll take it. We didn't cut any grass this time. So yes, Barr Beacon is the highest point in the West Midlands. Really, really nice place to fly a drone. I didn't realise it would be this nice. maybe I'll come back here again in the spring or summertime and shoot some more stuff and things and stuff. Right, let's mosey on back home. Gonna keep on the left here. Brother didn't use his indicator. It was a bit silly, wasn't it? Sun's starting to come out a little bit. Right, so, oh my goodness. Look at that! Dude, what the heck? What in the heck? What happened? Oh my goodness. That is weird. So seeing that that's been felled, not felled, it's been cut from the tree itself. And the one up there, I have no idea. Tis a mystery. Might need to even change the battery in my GoPro real quick. The spare's running kind of low on battery as well. It's sunny! It's sunny now. Hello.
I met someone I used to work with, and it was all, oh, this happened and that happened and that happened and this has happened. I couldn't walk away and not listen.
Hello.
She's mucked up
Hello.
your jacket.
That's fine. Hello.
Alright.
Yeah, are you?
Definitely.
So my dog has completely muddied up my jacket and my trousers, which is fine because you can't really stay mad at her. Alright, well that's where I'm going to end up today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching until the end. I know that it's been a while since I said that I wanted to do some drone content, but usually I'm just droning on. But I really hope you enjoyed it. There is going to be more to come. The sun is actually coming out, so maybe I'll go back out on the bike a little bit later. But as for this video, it has come to an end. And this road is about to come to an end, and hopefully I don't stall at the end of it again. But yeah, no, thank you for watching. Thank you for bearing with me through the little bit of a spotty upload schedule. You know, Monday's video didn't go out on Monday. It actually went out on Tuesday, so I apologize for that as well. It's actually Monday on the day I'm recording this because, you know, it's just a nice day, isn't it? But yeah, thank you for watching and for your continued support. I do genuinely appreciate you guys being here. It's saying I'm going 80 miles an hour. I'm not 100 miles an hour. This bike can't even go 100 miles an hour. What is going on? 130? That's ridiculous.